New chapter, guys. New chapter. New. Totally fresh. See what's going on here? See what's going on here? Organizing. Got all my stuff out. Got my computer. Got my cords. Got my hedgehog. Got my chicken. Got my mug. Got all my clothes. Got my pajamas on. Got my outfit for tomorrow. My travel outfit. I got my boots. Blob of toothpaste because I put my toothpaste away. Got my deodorant. I got my power pack. Brigitte. And everything's all set. I got my office, which is inside here. All my papers for all my clients. All my charts. I got my notebooks. I got my tape. I got my Post-its. And I'm ready to go. I'm going to watch a movie. And I'm going to go to sleep early. Famous last words. Probably won't. And tomorrow, I go to my house sit. This house sit is a good chunk of time. So I'm excited. I want to write and do it this time. I want to finish Bentina Massaro's 40-day life upgrade challenge. I just started it. I'm so excited. And getting out of Larnaca. It's a cute city. If you ever visit Cyprus, stay for like 1 day. It'll be a lot of fun. Maybe not 18. I hit a low point here, I'm not gonna lie. I had some challenging moments, mostly environmental. Work was great. I'm client working, but working. That's pretty much all I did. Now I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get a car. Play. Go to the beach. Some sunshine. This is what I planned. This is what it's about. This is why I put up with this 3 weeks. I'm thanking my past self right now. Thank you. Trusting. We did it. We made it. And I get on a bus tomorrow and I ride to my new town. I'm so excited. But it's been a long haul, this one. I have to say. Noisy smoke right next to me, loud. Whew. But use that to reinforce my vision. Except for one day. One day I just had a bad day. Really bad. I just said, today's going to be a really bad day. I surrender. Bad day. Bad day time. Go get a cake. Go get a movie. Go eat some fries. Just like doing American kind of things like eat fries makes me feel good. And a Sprite. Okay. Bye.